Hey everyone, happy Sunday. So I just kind of wanted to tell you I'm in the experimental mode. So if anybody else wants to try the experiment with me, that'd be great. I'll show you what I'm doing. So in this pot, I took 2 cherry tomatoes because I'm cooking a macaroni salad. I cut them in half and then, so I have 4 halves and I place them down where the seeds can get into the soil. These are crushed up eggs from my sister's chickens. I made some hard-boiled eggs and then I just threw some celery stalks in there. But I'm gonna try to do some cherry tomatoes. And then I'm trying to figure out how to use this water bottle. I guess you pierce it down here with one hole, fill it with water, and then you obviously take the cap off and then you stick it in so that it's its own irrigation system. So that's one project I'm working on today. My next project is celery. So I just cut this off. It says to place in some water. And in about 2 weeks, we should start to see more grow. And then when I'm done with that, I'm obviously reusing pots and stuff. This blue pot doesn't have holes in the bottom of it, but the plastic, which I can't get my hands in there. Damn it, damn it. Hey. This pot does, this black thing right here. So when that starts getting to where I need it, I'll repot it in just this black one. Obviously, the blue is for decoration. And then, okay, this is my experiment over here. So obviously, this has all kinds of weeds growing in it, right? But I threw a potato out here a couple of weeks ago, and it's starting to spud. I don't know, can you see it? Right? So once they start spudding more, I can then cut them off in sections and then replant them. They say eye to the sky, so once I cut them, I'll bury them where the eye is to the sky, which that's the eye. That's considered an eye. That's considered an eye. If you can see my work, but those are my experiments right now. So basically what I'm trying to do is, as I'm cooking, I'm trying to see if I can grow my own right from what I have at home.